Assalamu alaikum. This is Ghulam Abbas from MH Language Solutions. Sports and games is a very common and very important topic in IELTS as well as in general English communication. And today we are gonna learn some vocabulary about this topic. So let's begin. The first expression that we are going to learn is to keep fit or to get into shape. To keep fit or to get into shape. It means to be in a good physical condition or to be in a good shape. In a sentence we can say, I have joined a gym to keep fit. Or I have joined a gym to get into shape. Brisk walk. Brisk walk means to walk fast. To walk faster than the common speed is known as brisk walk. Brisk walk is a great cardiovascular exercise. Then comes work out. Work out means to exercise. I work out every day to improve my fitness. Then comes athlete. Athlete is actually a sportsman. Afridi has been a great athlete throughout his career. Afridi here means Shahid Afridi, who is a great Pakistani all-rounder in cricket. And then comes a big, huge or massive fan of. A big, huge or massive fan of. An admirer of something. My younger brother is a massive fan of or is a huge fan of Pakistan cricket team. And then comes amateur. Amateur is somebody or someone who does something only for pleasure. In terms of sports and games, it's a player who plays the game only for entertainment and he's not a professional player. He was an amateur cricketer before turning into a professional player. Now we have spectators. Spectators. Spectators are those who watch or who witness something. Here in terms of sports, we can say the people who are observing, who are watching the game, they are known as spectators. The stadium was crowded with spectators during the final match. Blow the competition away. Blow the competition away means easily win competition. He trained hard and blew the competition away. And we have personal trainer or coach. A personal trainer or coach is actually a sports teacher or helper. It's better to train with a personal trainer than without him. Another expression is sports center. Sports center is a building that has been dedicated for sports. It's a building that consists of a center that gives an opportunity to the players so that they can practice and they can play different sort of games there. This is a sports center. I often do sports practice in the sports center nearby. And now we have another expression, to set a record. To set a record is to achieve great result. If you have done something extraordinary in your game, then you have set a record. Pakistani players are setting new records these days. And the last expression that we have here is fitness freak or fitness fanatic. It means somebody who is obsessed with fitness, somebody who is always thinking and talking about being fit or keeping himself fit. That sort of person can be called a fitness freak or a fitness fanatic. Ali is found in the gym all the times. He's a fitness freak. Dear students, that was some vocabulary about sports and game, and I hope that it was helpful. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next exciting video. Allah Hafiz.